children. Again we are going to continue the next lesson of yours 8th standard, that is before the match. And next way the drill master had come to the in front of that Swaminathan, and Swaminathan was not having coat and cap. That day that drill master was angrily, he was muttering on the Swaminathan, and Swaminathan was following the drill master to get the permission for the leave. Where he want to go? He want to join cricket practice. See next. Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious. What happened? He had told already Swaminathan in front of the drill master he had a health problem. What he was suffering? Delirious, he said. The drill master was stunned. He was shocked by hearing this news, and you were delirious. Again, shockingly, he asked, you were delirious? Mentally shocked or what? That is the name of disease. I didn't sleep a wink last night. What happened? Little also I did not sleep last night. I was delirious. Again Swaminathan is telling what? Last night I did not sleep because of delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. What the doctor, family doctor suggested to Swaminathan not to attend the drill for 1 week. I don't believe a word, get out. Who said this? The drill master very angrily he said, I don't believe your word, you should get out. And every day what happens, everybody at the field was very happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. What happened? In the cricket club where they have started already, Swaminathan friend Rajam and all, Mani and all, they were playing, and he also came and joined with him. They were very happy. The next morning he formed planned to be free all the evenings of the week, and it was 7:30 in the morning, and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. What happened? The next morning he formed a plan. What plan he did? He would be free evening in the week before 7:30 in the morning, and he had still 2.5 hours before going up and after the school. 2.5 hours he was getting for the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out for the house. What happened? Quietly he was going home after practice, and he stood before a shop in front of which hung a board, Dr. Keshavan. What happened? Dr. T. Keshavan. He was going, and suddenly in front of that shop one board were there. What was the board? Dr. T. Keshavan, LMNS, Sri Krishna, Departmency. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. One shop where there is a name of the doctor's board. Suddenly he thought of what? Doctor is free. Then he wanted to enter the shop. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? And what happened? The doctor is going to ask Swaminathan, and doctor, I have got have to doctor certificate immediately. What happened? He said what? Doctor certificate I want, that is why I wanted to meet doctor. What is the matter with you? What's the matter? The shopkeeper will ask to the Swaminathan. I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play match next week against the Young Men's Union, YMU. YMU. It is a cricket team of Rajam, but opposition one more was there. That is opposition one more team as well. That is what? Again a local team. That is called what? YMU means what? Young Men's Union. And I must have some practice. And yet every evening there is a drill class, scouting. Some dirty period are there. What he said, every evening I am getting scouting drill also, and at the same time this cricket practice will be there. That is why I wanted to stop that scout drill. That is why I want one doctor certificate for my health condition. Who said this? Swaminathan said to the shopkeeper. And if you could give me a certificate asking them to be off at 4:30, it would be help to MCC to win the match. MCC means what? This is also a local club. It is against the YMU. And well, I could do it, but it is everywhere wrong with you. What happened? Well, I could do it this by evening I am trying to give. But anything wrong with you, but you should not misuse that certificate. And Swaminathan took half a second to find the answer. Certainly I am Beginning to feel of late I have delirium. What happened? From beginning only I am feeling what? Delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? The doctor is going to ask. Delirium means what? Really, are you feeling this delirium? He is shocking and asking. I can't say exactly, but isn't it some of kind of stomach ache? I don't know about that exactly, but I cannot feel completely. But little stomach ache I am getting. Who is going to tell? Swaminathan is going to tell the doctor. The doctor laughed till the great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. Doctor is laughing till he would get a great cough. And after that he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, eyes and tongue he examined, and tapped his chest, and chest also he tapped with the stethoscope, and declared him to be in the pink of health. Pink of health means he would be in Swaminathan health is very good in condition. And told him he would do well to stick to a drill if you wanted to get rid of delirium. What he is going to tell? If you want to do drill also and cricket match also, he said your health is very good. And Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. He would be free in the evening. Swaminathan realized that how the important time evenings are in his life. That is why he wanted to request for the doctor the certificate. But the doctor said it is all very well, but I should be persecuted if I give you any such certificate. What happened? I will be punished by society if I am giving you that is the dummy certificate and all. The doctor is thinking about his profession. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? He was going to ask. Who is going to ask that all? Who is going to find that all? Do you want to MCC to close the match? MCC, losing the match means you are very happy. He is going. Swaminathan is going to ask for the doctor. I wish you all success. Don't worry. The doctor is convincing. I am wishing you all success. Don't worry. I can't give you a certificate. What he said? I am wishing you all the best and will get it success in your life. But I cannot give you a certificate. But I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. The doctor said, what? I am requesting you, your school headmaster. After 4:30 they should leave Swaminathan for the cricket practice. I will request and I cannot give you a certificate. Who said this? The doctor said to Swaminathan. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Then Swaminathan said thanks for the doctor and he went away for that. Understand, children? This is the lesson of yours before the match. Third, understand? Okay.